we have a 23, I think, 22, 23 Mitsubishi Outlander prox key. So we're gonna need the Nissan bypass cable for the Smart Pro. You gotta take a little bit of dash off. There's just two screws down the bottom here, one on the outside and one up above the OBD, which this panel pops off. You do have to take the side panel off. You remove the gray cable on the front of the BCM, plug it into yours, plug your side back into the BCM. I had to take there's two screws, I believe they're T15s, holding this on that bracket back there. I had to take it out. If you can Gumby your hands in there and get yourself plugged in without doing that, more power to you. We're doing all keys lost here on a fucking sheet of ice. A real bad snowstorm that turned to ice over the weekend, and it's not going to be going away for a pretty good while, so we're just going to deal with it. Let's see if we can see here. Horrible glare here, per usual. Sunroof's not helping. Can't close it. Alright, well, we're just going to have to deal with it. Alright, we're going to select Mitsubishi. Get Outlander pulled up. We're going to go to 22 to 24 prox push button Outlander. Connect to the immobilizer. Put my key on my lap. Ignition off. Put the hazards on. Button a couple times. Wake the car up. Alright, we're going to go to program keys. Yep. Connect. It's a ADC 2017 is that Nissan bypass cable. I forgot about this part. Please prepare a compatible key for analysis. Press OK to continue. Hold it up to the button. I'm going to put you down. Logo facing the button. Okay. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I think I've actually never done two. Prox key read successfully. Okay. Do I want to analyze another key? I do not. I believe we're just going to hold it up to the button. One virgin prox key per session. Alrighty. Hold that up to the button. Hit OK. And that should basically be it. Success. Add another key. No. We got lock and unlock. See if I can get around the brake here. Start the car. Oh, I gotta put the BCM back in to start. Lock and unlock work means the key's gonna work. It is frozen and a little bit dead. I also think I need to plug the BCM in to get it to work. One thing I want to show you, getting this, you have to pop the fuse box out to get to the BCM to plug your bypass in. It's very easy to break it out. As you can see, someone had already been in here and wired I'm guessing a starter interrupt or something. If you just reach through this side hole right here, you're gonna push in on the little tab down the bottom and it'll slide right out. Most people just yank on it and break it, which is a very effective way to get it out, but it does break it and then it's kind of floating in there, and this one just basically fell out when I popped the panel off. So you just reach through these side panels, a little push, pull it out. That does it safely and without breaking anything. So I'm just going to wrap this up, pull my plug back in, and get out of here.